Hey everybody, it's your girl, the Cyn Show. Hope you guys are doing well. It is another day, another dollar. Let's all clap our hands. We're making it holla. Okay, so here's the deal. um, Lecture two. I'm on my way to go out, but I want to give you a little bit of tea about what this thing is going to be, right? We are talking about AI in society today. Remember, this is a lecture that is given by George Hinton, who is known as the Godfather of AI. And he has brought on a guest speaker, which is Jacob Steinhardt. And so he has been talking some really good stuff, which I've already kind of given you guys the upload. So please do watch that video to kind of get an idea of what was happening when it comes down to emerging challenges in AI. But today we are talking about markets, misuses, managers, and memes. So again, AI is increasingly becoming a part of our social fabric, right? And everything from chatbots to social media and even AI therapists and also companions. And as you know, there was a situation that had happened some time ago with a young person who unalived themselves because they felt like they were in belief that this AI chat thing was real. And my heart goes to the family as well, especially when it comes down to this. And so this is the reason why this is so important for me to share this with you. Um, while we can't predict all the impacts, we can definitely identify certain challenges and opportunities that are based in AI's unique characteristics and any of the the effects of other technologies. So this talk is definitely going to be exploring that within AI, its effects through those four lenses that I just referred to, talking about markets, misuses, management, or managers, I should say, and then memes. And so the discussion will definitely focus, I believe, on policy decisions that need to be implemented in the weaves of society, and also just to kind of aim the frame in any key questions that we need to be asking towards the future, because it is here and we have somewhat adapted and somewhat adopted, but probably not all the best ways. So I am excited to go to this lecture. I'm also excited to share this lecture with you. And what I will also be doing is then giving you guys another video with my final synopsis and what my takeaway points were from this. But please do feel free to put it in the comment section what you believe and what you feel about AI and where we're going, and also what you felt or what you thought about what Jacob was saying and speaking on when it comes down to AI and our society and possibly becoming a meme child. Ooh. Anyway, I'm going to go on and get out of here, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Hey everybody, it's your girl, the Cyn Show. I hope you guys are doing well. I have a feeling that some of you guys are now watching lecture one of the Hinton lectures, which is all about AI rising, risk versus reward. I did actually come back from lecture two, and I am going to let you know I apologize in advance for this video because my storage became full and I could not record the full thing, but I was able to get some really cool gems. So I'm going to piece them all together, doing some editing tonight so I can try and get this thing up to you guys for tomorrow. Other than that, I really appreciate you guys for watching this video, commenting below. Let me know what you think about lecture one, and let me know what you think about lecture two. I will come back in another video with my full synopsis of what my insights are from seeing this in real form. And we'll go from there. So for everything else, guys, enjoy the rest of this video and also enjoy the other video that I happen to upload, and keep me posted in the comments. Let me know how you feel about AI. And where we are going with AI. Are we safe with it or not? What do you guys think? Are you using it? What's the tea? What's the vibes? Please apologize as I've got a bunch of things going up in the thing here, but I'm trying to maintain, honey. Anyway, we'll talk. We'll talk later. Enjoy it, honey. Enjoy it, and I'll see you in the synopsis. Peace.